Nath, I'm Atharva Pandit. In this course, I'm going to take you to a journey through the clouds. Not these clouds, these clouds. Let us start by giving out a simple definition of cloud, or should I say, cloud computing. Cloud computing is on demand availability of system resources without direct active management by the user. To understand this definition, let's take up one small example. Most of us have some sort of computing device at home, such as a personal computer, a laptop, tablet, etc. Now, every year you have to pay a certain amount of money to maintain and upgrade them. For example, for buying a new RAM, a better graphic card, and so on, which is a bit easier for us to pay but not so easy for large software companies. Imagine you need about 100,000 machines for your company's servers to run smoothly. Now, let us assume that every machine requires a maintenance cost of minimum 10,000 rupees per month. What will be the cost incurred to the entire organization? Sounds scary, right? Furthermore, it is not necessary that the company may require all of its machines at the same time and same place. Yet, it will have to pay for the maintenance for full array of its machines. Isn't this injustice? This is what a guy with a very long name from USA thought too. Joseph Carl Robert Licklider is believed to have first thought about cloud computing when ARPANET was in use, as early as 1977. There are discrepancies as to who invented the cloud, but its references are found in texts way back in 1950s. Let us consider the previous example. What if I told you you can buy as many servers as you like, pay as you use the servers, and you don't have to personally maintain the servers? Sounds like a good deal. This is what cloud computing offers. Currently, Amazon AWS, that is Amazon Web Services, GCP stands for Google Cloud Platform, Microsoft Azure, and IBM Cloud are the major players in the cloud services. In this series, we are going to focus on GCP and its services. You must be wondering, why GCP? Currently, AWS does reign over the cloud arena, so why should we go for inferior one? Yes, while it is true that AWS is better than cloud, I will tell you not why we are starting with GCP. Let us see each of these reasons one by one in detail. Pricing. Pricing for GCP is fairly simple to understand for people who are relatively new to the concept of cloud computing. GCP provides only one decongested payment option. On the contrary, Amazon Web Services has a host of available payment options, which are actually good for industry value but a little difficult for the beginners to understand. Minimum usage and round of time. Minimum usage time in GCP or Google Cloud Platform is up to 10 minutes. Also, another advantage of GCP is that the usage time is rounded off to the nearest minute, whereas in AWS it is rounded off to nearest hour. So, to explain this properly, let us imagine that you use the server for up to say 5 to 10 minutes extra. Now you will have to pay for that extra hour in AWS, whereas in the case of Google Cloud Platform, you don't have to do that. Speed. Google leads AWS considerably in the speed department. In 2018, Google invested a huge amount of money in a faster cable system through which it will be able to provide its cloud users speeds of up to 10 Tbps, that is 10 terabytes per second. Now, one to 1250 GB per second. Now, imagine how many times you can download and play GTA 5 on your computer. Just imagine that. Compared to GCP, AWS does not promise a fixed speed line. In AWS, speed is dependent upon the instance which we use. We'll see about the instance in the coming lectures. Live migration. Compared to other services, Google offers live migration of virtual machines between host machines. Now, we'll explore the concept of live migration as we go ahead in this course. However, one of the reasons why Evernote, which is an application to save your notes or keep your reminders, migrated to Google so it wouldn't have to deal with any lock-ins. Also, in the case of failures, the company automatically restarts the virtual machine so they are online within minutes of being down. The other services like Azure, AWS have to send you an email beforehand that your machines will be shut down and will be reassigned to another host. So, it proves to be a disadvantage. Big data analysis. While Amazon Web Services is known best for its compute and infrastructure services, Azure is known for its operating systems. Google stands out because of its data analysis. Google's innovative tools, cloud warehousing such as BigQuery, batch and real-time data processing tools such as Google Cloud Data Flow and Google Cloud Data Proc can provide you with some great insights. We will see about this in the upcoming series. It sounds that its focus within the cloud computing would be machine learning and data analysis. And lastly, easier to learn. While learning about cloud computing, we need some practical hands on experience. Of course, you do not expect me to read everything from PPTs, do you? However, we do not want unnecessary bills to show up at our doorstep during the month end. Google provides a walk around this loophole so that the students can learn without the fear of paying anything. I'll tell you more about this when we progress further in these videos. Thank you and keep watching this channel for more knowledge on cloud computing.
Hey you! Yes you! If you like our video, just hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to stay notified for the future updates.